I'm extremely sorry that we've had to take this decision.
Neil Woodford was a city star with a reputation for beating the markets that persuaded around 300,000 people to invest almost £3 billion in funds in his name. Andy Essex was one of them. A retired civil servant, he invested £23,000 in the funds. But when Woodford's luck ran out last summer and his fund was suspended and then closed, Andy could only watch as he lost around £6,000.
The price of it has just gone down and down. In the last week it's gone down over 5%, and I think it's gone down about 25–30% since the fund were closed. And not being able to touch your money and, cut your losses, extremely frustrating.
Ordinary investors will discover exactly how much they've lost this week, and they'll be counting the cost here in Kent, where the local authority pension fund, representing 135,000 frontline staff, had more than £260 million invested with Woodford. When they tried to get it out last summer, he couldn't raise the money, forcing the fund to close and trapping investors.
We are looking at probably a loss from that pension fund of around about £60 million, about 23% of the overall investment. Now, the party line from here has been that it's a small proportion of the overall pot of the pension fund. But if you mention that to your average pension holder on the street, I don't think that they would see £60 million as small change.
While investors have watched their assets shrink, Neil Woodford and his business partner continue to pay themselves millions in dividends. That's helped fund a lavish lifestyle, including a country estate in Gloucestershire, but he is reluctant to answer questions.
Could I speak to Neil Woodford, please?
Oh, sorry, he's not around.
He's not at home, it would seem. Mr. Woodford has said he doesn't want to be interviewed about what happened with his fund, but he could face questions soon from the Financial Conduct Authority. They have opened an investigation.
Neil Woodford is not alone in profiting from helping people exploit new investment opportunities. But this former city minister believes the current system doesn't protect small retail investors.
People were allowed to cash in their defined pension scheme and go off and make their own investments. And I'm sure that history is going to come to tell us that this will be the creation of the biggest ever opportunity for mis-selling of financial instruments.
Has Neil Woodford lost it?
Neil Woodford believes his investments would have come good in time. But those who lost money will tell you past success really is no guide to future performance. Paul Kelso, Sky News.